Hi guys, welcome back to Celeb Gossip Entertainment. So guys, uWandi Ndlovu has been trending lately. Mntanabantu has been trending, Shem. She has been trending. And man, guys, I just feel like now sizomvalela ama-channel ngale Nigeria, you know? They might even like end up sending her back ukuthi hayi girl siyabonga. We can't deal with you anymore because Tina sizongena enkingeni. You know, she has been trending that she is held hostage, forced to take videos, forced to do things, you know, just to show people on social media that she is doing great, she is doing well, she doesn't need them to come and protect him, you know. So she has been getting a lot of engagement on social media. People are commenting, asking her, girl, alright, girl, are you coming home for Christmas? And then she just responds, nope, she is not coming. And then people are saying, you are held hostage, why are you not coming back home, you know? So Kesana, she recently shared how much she made on Facebook, because a lot of people don't know that you can make money on Facebook. Guys, people are sleeping on this thing, and you can make decent amounts on Facebook as long as you get a lot of engagement, you get a lot of comments, you know, you get a lot of views on your reels. So she has been posting reels, getting some engagement, especially since she has been trending with this thing, you know. So she recently screenshotted and showed people how much she has been making, and the caption was that, thank you so much guys for engaging and stuff, please carry on commenting on my videos, don't stop, you know. So the more we comment, Tina trying to mock her, trying to make fun of her, now she is making money, you know. So this is the screenshot that she posted of her Facebook insights, guys. The ads on reels, you know, the ads on the reels made her $459.88. like what? Just posting lapayana over cute and stuff, and then now you have $459.88, and it's still growing because people are still commenting. Even under this post, they were still commenting, hi girl, hi bro, booyah, you know. And then in the last 28 days, she has had 33 million views, guys. Haibo, like what? Guys, if you don't have Facebook, please go and start your Facebook page and start posting reels, and let's just start making money, because wow.